a simple dimple in this mini puppet. Let's go find some people to trade.
Hi! I've got a mochi and 3 monkey noodles. Want to trade?
Yeah, sure. I want to trade. What should I give you for these monkey noodles? I just want these monkey noodles. Well, the mochi's also up for offer, and my dream is a simple dimple and a mini poppet. Oh my gosh, I have that. Okay, I've got 3 monkey noodles and a mochi. So 3 monkey noodles and a mochi. What can I find? Okay. I really like that star poppet. What's your dream fidget? All I have is this. No, you need to add. My dream fidget is a dimple. I just found a dimple. I am serious. I'll give you the star poppet and the circle poppet. Thanks. Okay, so look at all these fidgets. I love my dimple. Let's find the legendary fidget. Oh my gosh, it's the Fidget Pad. Oh, there's only one. We gotta find it somewhere. Let's see if she has it. Nope, she doesn't have any of it. So let's go look. Among Us! Pop it! Nothing here. Nothing here. Glowing octagon! Okay. An Among Us and a glowing octagon. Okay. Now let's see what we can find. Oh my gosh, it's the legendary fidget! Yes. Okay. What do you... I really love this fidget toy. I want this so bad. Okay. I will offer this dimple. Even though it's my favorite fidget. Add. Okay, I'm adding these mesh and marble, spinner, and some pop tubes. Add some poppets. Here's my poppets. You still need more. How about if you add all your fidgets, all except. I have all these fidgets. I can't wait. Wait a minute. Did I just find a jumbo poppet right next to the girl with 5 poppets? Okay, let's go home with all of these fidgets. I just found a girl with a jumbo poppet. Well, it wasn't actually hers. It was just right next to her. She had not grabbed it. Okay, let's go home. Let's see how we exit.